Are you sick and tired of always misplacing pesky bottle caps?
You may have noticed a design change recently in the lids of your plastic bottles, and to put it mildly, not everyone's delighted with the change. The change is designed to prevent you from unscrewing the lid of your bottle fully. Instead, it's now tethered to the bottle with some little strips of plastic. So why did they do this? Well, it's all thanks to the EU's Single-Use Plastic Directive that was announced back in 2018. Under this directive, as of July 3rd, all plastic bottles under 3 litres must have their lids attached to them. This change, it runs hand in hand with the introduction of the deposit return scheme. The thinking behind that is you'll be far more likely to dispose of both of them in the right bin if the lid is attached. This should decrease the impact of plastic waste on the environment and promote the transition to a circular economy. So what do you think? Is this going a little bit too far? Is this the EU equivalent of talking down to a child? Or is it a smart, simple step that can only help to improve the health of our planet?